to give importance to the persons came in the way to teach. Because Vidya came to the Brahmana and told him, Vidya Brahmana Majagama Sevadhishtesmi Rakshamam Asuyakaya Mam Mada Tatha Viryavatama. You might have heard of this verse. No? In Shruti it is said like that. In Smriti also it is said in another verse. Vidya Brahmanam Etyaha Sevadhishtesmi Rakshamam Asuyakaya Mam Mada Tatha Viryavatama. Vidya is considered as a devata, and she came to the teacher and asked him, see, I am the wealth of yourself. Shevuthi, Nithi. In Malayalam also it is Nithi. In Tamil I am not. What is the word of Nithi? Treasure. Treasure in Hindi, in English. Nithi? Hindi Nithi. Then in Tamil? Also Nithi. So Shevuthi. I am the Shevuthi, Nithi, treasure of yourself. Nobody is ready to give the treasure to a person who is not at all aware of the value of that. So give your treasure, give your Nithi to a person who is fully aware of the value of that and how it can be developed. So Vidya came to him and asked, Asuyakaya Mamada. You should not give me to the persons who are jealous. Anasuyave. But in nowadays, the practitioners of medicine, whoever he is or she is, whether he belongs to modern medicine or Ayurveda or homeopathy or any branch of knowledge, he himself is jealous of even his successes. Am I right? So that is what the entire patents, entire business of medicine is concerned. So Shruti herself said not to give this knowledge to the persons who are jealousy of others. Give it to any person who is fond of it as well as who can develop it to such heights, so such alien heights, divine heights. Asuyakaya Mamada Da Viryavattama. Those who develop me to such heights, you give me to them, because it is your own treasure. That's why Vedics of modern days, even if you are going to them to study, after studying this, you are criticizing it here and there. You are not using it in a proper manner. The Sampradaics, the age-old Parampara, should not give their knowledge to such persons. They have the soft corner of that knowledge. If a student is in touch with such persons from that succession, through words, through look, you will get it. So such a knowledge developed in our country, and we are all blessed by that. If we are ready to accept that, definitely we can go to all the ladder of our own life. Rogamadavu parikshedadu anantaram aushadham tada karma bhishak paschat jnana purvam samacharet. In the previous sloka, the principles etiology, then symptomatology, therapeutics. Hetu, linga, aushadha, jnana. First hetu, that means the cause of disease. What are the cause? In this study, we should have a clear knowledge about the cause of disease. Nowadays, because of the modern medicine, the study of anatomy, the study of medicines, particularly patented medicines, there is a lack of knowledge about the cause of disease. Now almost 80% of the Ayurvedic physicians are giving medicines without the knowledge of the cause of disease according to the theory of Ayurveda. Am I right? Yes. Is there any exaggeration?
No.
That's why in 2005 or 6, I think, in the presence of the Chief Minister of Kerala at that time, Mr. A.K. Antony, a divine person with medical colleges in modern branch as well as in Ayurveda, stood up and said, there is no diagnosis at all in Ayurveda. If your government is allowing us to make a branch to help the Ayurvedic students to get a minimum knowledge of diagnosis, we will start a scientific research. No one from Ayurveda from Kerala that is very prominent in Kerala. Am I right? Tell us